Hi, my name's Jen, and this is my Weebly website. So this is my homepage right here. A little welcome. There's a picture of me and some cool planet pictures because I want to teach Earth science. And then a little bit about me is that I am in my first year of college, and I'm studying to be a secondary education teacher. And I want to be a 9th grade Earth science teacher. My word assignment right here was the lesson plan that we did, and there's that. And then for Excel, my Excel sheet is on here. Looks a little bit odd, but my Excel sheet's on here. There's a bunch of different pages of it. Okay, so that's all my Excel pages. There's 14. And then PowerPoint. We have my PowerPoint on minerals that goes along with my lesson plan. And then you can scroll through the sides on here and even make it bigger if you want to. Then we're going to go over to more and we'll look at my web quest. So my web quest looks like this. Well, this is what it looks like on my website. And then if you follow the link, this is a hyperlink right here. But I haven't opened another window. So this is my web quest. Let's see here. Okay. This is the start of it. My web quest was about identifying minerals. It also goes along with my lesson plan and the PowerPoint that are on my website as well. So yeah, it's for 9th grade Earth Science. So we're going to go down to the introduction page. So this web quest will allow you to learn the most common names of minerals, and we'll be able to identify different minerals by evaluating their properties. And then we're going to go down to tasks. And the tasks for this week are to read pages 1 through 12 in your textbook, take notes while you read, follow the PowerPoint presentation, complete the lab, and then take an exit quiz. And then, let's see here. Okay, for the process, we want the students to read the textbook. After that, they might be able to get a partner and answer any of the corresponding questions in the textbook. After that, then I will go over the PowerPoint in the class. The students will be writing out notes and participating in the discussion. After, the students will pair up in groups of 4 and then go around the different stations in a lab to identify the different minerals. After lab, they'll sit down for a short 10-question exit quiz. And then for the evaluation, I have a rubric on here. And let me see if I can screen. Okay, so for the rubric, we'll do, basically the rubric is 50 points. So that's the textbook questions worth 10, PowerPoint worth 10, mineral lab is worth 10, and the exit quiz is worth 20. Basically, depending on how many answers they got correct, is the grade that they'll get. And for the PowerPoint, how interacted in the PowerPoint they were will be that. So then for the conclusion page here, let's take a look. The conclusion is that students will be able to learn the most common names of minerals and identify the minerals by looking at their properties. And then for the teacher page here, this will have the standards in it. Maybe it's loading on here. Okay, so for the teacher page, we have the Idaho standards, and I use the ESS1 High School 6 standard. You can read about it on here. Yeah, so that is the WebQuest portion. So we'll get rid of that, and then after on the website, we'll go back there. Under the other examples page, I have my YouTube video that I did on Common Curriculum. You can go watch that if you want to learn a little bit more about that. And then the last one, I will actually be putting my video here of what I'm doing right now. So that is my Weebly website, and that is it.